Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got another vintage Coach unboxing to share with you. So let's see what we've got. So it looks like we've got a station bag. Here's the detachable strap. So here's the bag. It says on the tag, station bag, style 5130 in the color black. And this specific bag was made in 2002 in China. So it's just barely considered vintage as of last year. So this is definitely one of the classic vintage Coach styles, the station bag, and it comes with an adjustable and detachable strap here that attaches to the sides of the bag. So it attaches right here and on the other side as well, like so. And then it comes with the matching two-sided hang tag, as you can see. And then this bag also still comes with some of the original paperwork. It comes with this little registration card, as you can see, and also this little booklet with some information on Coach as a brand. So it was nicely preserved over the years. So here's the outside of the bag again. It does come with a top handle that's covered right now in tissue paper, but it's nice because then you can carry the bag as a top with the top handle. I find that having a top handle makes it easier to take the bag on and off when you're wearing it. So you have that option to carry it that way or to wear it again with the shoulder strap. So here's the front again. It's got this turn lock closure. That's how you'd open the bag. Here's what the sides look like. And then here's the back of the bag. I'll open it real fast so you can see what the interior is like. So when we open it again, it does have some more tissue paper and stuff inside, but it's got a nice slip pocket here. It's slightly gusseted, so it kind of sticks out a little bit to give it more space. It's got this pocket here under the front flap. And then when we take out the rest of the tissue paper, here's the main body compartment of the bag, and then it's got this other slip pocket in the back as well. So it's got a few pockets, this front one and then this interior one, and then of course it's got the Coach Creed. Try to show you on video, but here's also a close-up photo of the Creed so you can see it better. So anyway, that is the beautiful station bag, and like I mentioned before, this bag is still in new with tags condition, so it's just a beautiful collector's piece or a great bag for someone out there to use, and it is available in our online store. So if you are interested in wanting to look at it further, the link will be below in the description box. But anyway, thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.